Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need to know why SafeSearch exists before you change anything. It protects users and complies with platform policies. Once you understand scope, make sure you have account access and permission to modify settings. Start by checking the search engine account preferences, then inspect device-level parental controls and router or network filters. If you're an administrator, document why a change is needed and get approval. Doing this prevents accidental policy violations while giving you a lawful path to legitimate content access. You should approach changes step by step so you don't break other protections. First, sign into the relevant account and toggle SafeSearch only if you're authorized. Next, verify device and browser settings. Some have independent filters. Then inspect router or DNS-based blocks. If managed by IT or a guardian, request formal permission. Finally, use search operators for more precise results within policy limits. This reduces the need to disable safeguards outright and keeps content access responsible. You must verify that changes propagated, clear browser cache, restart devices, and test searches. If filters still block content, don't try circumvention. Instead, contact the account owner, IT admin, or platform support and explain the legitimate need. Provide examples and request a formal review or temporary adjustment. If issues persist, use documented appeal channels or modify search terms to comply. One troubleshooting tip: check DNS or network-level filters first, since they often override local settings and are the most common source of persistent blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.